Hello everybody! Hello po, kumusta ang lahat? So anyways, gawan ko lang ng short video. May nagtatanong kasi or a lot of people are wondering gaano ba katagal yung paghihintay ng Manila case number from NOAA 2. So as of right now po, March 1, 2025, ang time frame po ng paghihintay ng Manila case number from NOAA 2 takes about 5 to 7 weeks. Yung iba, in between 5 to 7, so mga 6 weeks nakakatanggap na sila ng Manila case number from NOAA 2. So NOAA 2 to Manila case number takes about 5 to 7 weeks. So pagka 4th weeks na po after you receive the NOAA 2, you can then go ahead and do the public inquiry. Please check this video right here for more information, and you can subscribe to my channel to get more updates about K1 Fiancé Visa. Bye!